Ndewono, welcome to another episode on Voice of the East. My name is Ndonwa Juliet, popularly known as Julie Cassie. As you know, this show is meant to promote the culture, the values, and the business of Ndibo. That is why you hear Olundibo, Voice of the East. And today, Tata Noah, I'm with one special guest. This is our guest. This is my guest.
Yes, the guy.
Oh, I be any ntutu. Nya obuna basara luxury hair extension. Apuri onya. Nya one with that business just apuri ya. Both in marketing, in sales, in publicity. Just apuri ya. Nya obara first. Before I go mad in aton with hair business na name
top
in this country. Iga gunye none other but Bo hair extensions. Hey, Bo. Ne imaka.
Thank you.
Apo chakwa ni found na phone na Instagram. The babe all mara pieces. Apo go the apo biko go down ya fast biko.
Afambo Olomachi Onuzurike Afampam Ahadim Wankwo. So Olomachi Onuzurike Wankwo.
Wow, that's a very beautiful name. Like
which of them? The Olomachi.
Ancha. Especially in
just the Olomachi.
Olomachi. Ndoza maoma. She's actually a very funny person, and I love that. And then because wagoda kedo to all this kedo those way bido. Like I really love your story. I've been seeing your story. Like I'm not
very little beginning. Hello Taisha Sianibo Obidoro from Chineke.
Obidoro small.
Small with so very capital. And neto we be amubazi to this very level.
Iga gwari anye BC now. Iga gwari anye BC. Hey, you may be
Eshim from Abia State.
Okay.
Mpamu wonye elebe kanshi. Ibeku mwafai. Mamshi bere. Bende. Then dimu shi uturu. So now I was in uturu.
Ma the same Abia State.
Abia State. Abia State.
Okay, so how do you think like being an Igbo person contributed to your growth? Like, imana only one thing about Igbo, they give up. That like me like that.
Igbo na bambo nke ọma nke ukwu.
Abi?
One door closes, another door opens. You keep pushing. You push na aga. You know, they don't give up easily. So this business, like, how did you Ibidori Amaka just it's something I
that
actually
you're passionate about.
Started Ibidoro Irenri restaurants, mommy mnere restaurants. Onyo Jizomo. So maybe a Bido restaurant Megidea. He was giving me money, mana. Nah, it's not. Baby girl wanted a soft lifestyle. I did not. I said, am I still going to continue selling this restaurant for like my mother has been doing it for 30 years? I will now start doing it again. I cannot keep up. So I was making money because I rebranded it into a sushi restaurant, not like my mom's level. So I was making money like 50K daily. 50K daily. But you know, that wasn't the goal. Baby girl wanted something else. I was picturing, picture the bigger image, you know. So one day, I think one of my staff, she has Costco. So, like on when I wish,
okay.
You know, in the East now, people who work in the restaurant, you have to stoop low because those ones that do the like manual washing of the plates, washing pots, pushing truck, because then we don't have borehole. So the babe, I didn't know that she was half mad, half normal. So she can't display one kind of thing. Like around 6, she would start talking to herself. I can't ask myself, is this what I have? after going to school to come back and stay with mad people, like if I say and then I thought it was just maybe talking. You know, some people they talk to themselves. And it continued though. Like she would talk and be pointing. There's nobody there. One day, I was telling her not to talk to the customer that way. She told me that she's going to stab me. I've not told anybody this story. You know, you're cautioning your worker. Oh, don't do this next time. Normal thing. n'Igbo. You say ha, madam, no geji ma bomo. Ma say Bonyole, as like she was shouting and her white eye turned red. So I had to just bang the door. I now saw she took a knife. Knife and you know how sharp and water leave. So that it will be doing zan. She took the knife. I just banged the door and locked her with padlock. I started running for my life. I ran to our house because our house is just a stone throw from the. So we are living in number 1 Ikote Bene. No, the restaurant is in number 1 Ikote Bene and our house is in Macaulay. So you just walk. Just 2 minutes. I ran. I was shaking. I said, God, that if this woman should stab me, if they go to police, they're going to say, why did you employ a mad person? And she will come out. Because Ogeba ne display even her neku. Ntisisiegi. They say, madam, they will release her. And after that day, I was crying. It was like, that was a wake-up call for me. I was like, I told my husband now, because we're still dating, babe, I cannot do this business. I know he's giving me money, but this is not, it's not it. Imagine what you were born and brought up with.
How many years ago the year?
Let's say, is it up to 7, 8 years now? Or 10 years? Immediately I finished school. I just started. After my exams, I just started the business. Well, I told him that I cannot continue. We were actually doing the business together. So I told him that one time he came back because they sell phones, wholesale, very big. So when he came back, I now told him that I cannot continue. I want to do something else. He now said, okay, what do you want to do? I said, there's this woman I saw on Instagram. I think I want to sell her. That time, the business wasn't saturated like this. So he now said, okay, are you sure? I said, yes. Oh yeah, go and learn about the business. I shall have paid money to one. See, this class that I'm doing now, you don't know what I'm doing for people who want to learn about hair. I paid somebody 500K on the mainland. It's not that it's scam. I came there. They were teaching me coloring, highlighting. That's not what I came to learn. Do you understand? I don't want to be a hairstylist. I want to be a hair entrepreneur, exporter, importer. Iotara. I am hairstylist. They started teaching me coloring. Even the babe that was selling the hair. When I came to Lagos, I realized that she's not even a big deal. Like the business is not even generating funds for her. So I came to learn in the wrongest of places. Like I was just there. I've paid the 500K. Taught me the coloring that I did not. I shall learn it. It's just bleach. You tie it. You put it in the microwave.
So they didn't even teach you like the main.
Nothing. I didn't even see the babe. It was just at the last day. You will on skirts na high heel. Louboutin. Yeah, so you know, I didn't like. She didn't say anything that made sense. Neither did they give me hair contacts. So I suffered though. When I now started this hair business, I finally made it. Even there was even this lady that I paid 500K to give me a contact. She gave me one contact that I already knew, but I've not bought from them. But I knew the contacts. But I was like,
so it wasn't even useful.
So you already know, and she gave me, and I was like,
and it could
go. And then now the contact. I took my loss. So I took my loss like 500K like that. Sorry, let me finish. Kampucha, made it somewhere.
Okay.
So this my class now. I'm just charging 36K. And I'm making this contest, suppliers contacts available for everybody. Because I suffered. I know what I went through to get it. People
original
are doing as if you get the contact, say that's the end. Everybody will still make money. Do you understand? So I took it upon myself that you see this hair contact, it will be available to anybody. Like only you know go fit carry all the customers.
Yeah.
You know that one.
So you guys know Abia State kita kibido this hair extension business. Kona Lagos eba.
Ebidom na Abia State.
Like mgbe bido ziri wezi edi into
Chere na Abia they come. Ebidom na Abia State. Nde we frustrate. I mean man na akwu salary na Abia State. I ga hu one person Obia say dia 10 months sorry, I'm happy me exaggerate. 3 months salary they owe them steady. So it was doing Ibazu's regime or something. So They will come, they will buy hair. When they pay me salary, I'll complete it. They will take the hair, they will go and wear. They will not now pay salary 3 months. I can't ask myself, this is not the plan, no. I'm telling you. So, but when I started posting, because of they frustrated me to the point where I went online and I started posting online, I realized that I was always doing Weibo somewhere. That there's this city where we say they always patronize me. I can't check them. Now Lagos, so I can't say this Lagos every time, and I was doing 50K store, you know, then dollar was 200 and I be 300 and things. Jesus, I had hair of 25,000. But those days, this hair and frontal 100,000.
Okay,
now only frontal is more than 100,000. Like, so then Lagos, they were patronizing me all the way from Lagos, so I had to come and open a store here. So that was what motivated my moving.
So because most of people name interview, most of them like they've gone far in their craft. But if you notice, most times they be doing an Igbo. My be the one an Igbo. I'm one of my hapo. Some na juwu gini na true no so na Igbo.
Economy adi no man na Igbo. Ana aku salary ana eji ụgwọ.
So right now, okay, kita ipu na Igbo.
Onde na evichabe na bezugishi.
Ima Igbo adi, ndị Igbo adi ano n'uno. Igbo na-apụ iro, like they go out to hustle. Oh, okay, obu December kama nige natazi bia mezie.
So I ga nọgide na shop all December kiga maka here. Is that a life?
So that is one reason why the manager apple from money. Yes. But right now we are encouraging people and
to go back to the east.
Not even just go back,
but
to make sure that they invest. Like, okay, right now if you go na Igbo kita name more from Lagos. Have you created anything like bow extensions in the east?
I had a shop in the east, a whole large shop. You guys chill. Like I had a whole large shop, big space. I was not paying rent because it was my mom's, their father's property. So I had a big space. And happy to this shaka ha Ghana Lagos order. So them too, they don't even want to patronize you because in their domot. Ha try patronize.
Profit is not appreciated.
Exactly. Lagos people, they really appreciate it. Sorry to say, but have support without them, I will not even be here. But even though I'm one Fibo, do you understand?
Ani makwana Lagos and Igbo nokwana na
Igbo nokwa ya hana balekwa, but it's not like.
One thing I feel about Lagos, but now a modern city, people need the demand is always there. People
and imagine as early as at that time when online business just started. Imagine somebody trusting you with their hard-earned money. You are no more here. They will buy the hair, pay for way bill. That time I used to use ABC transport, pay for way bill, and you send it all the way. They trust you enough that you are going to deliver. It's a lot now. If you were vice versa.
Oh, what this thing they meant the like only discourage them because I na appreciate. I even the boy question na appreciate. I question na appreciate.
I don't swim me.
I'm sure now why movies into Lagos.
Ashiri. I don't know say ha. O gala o mebela woke o mebela na cho. Ha ne merons. Ne merons.
But one thing you notice, Ibuna, people kwana na Igbo ankita ga ebe ozo ga me wofuma. Ifuzie ha abia
farms the waze.
That is not the best. Ina farms zie ka gini me.
The waze.
Mgbe ono na domot unu gini me nu na eme ya support mbo. Anyway, anu me ekwu. No you gakwa na my page ga gwakwa gi no. Strangers, one
my sister.
Until
one time, when the immigration, Imanda na kuno salary bago through former the federal job, maybe like 200K a month. Unlike in the states in an minimum wage. So those ones they bought her, they paid per payments. Months abiago. Oge hasi na ha geja kwụmụgwọ ji shi agafe. Ha kwụmụgwọ. Ma bịa na shop bịa na akọ that insha nke a mekwara nke eme ọ chọrọ ibe iwere another hair ishi fisirila ye ya for 1 month sweat ya with ishi ikuchabu ụgwọ ya gị bịa iwere ya yo si na immigration officer ọ ga-edili ma ọ ga-lock masị am ga-ezigi na m na awụyara ma gbachi ụzọ say you give me my money today. Do you know how much it is to be doing this business? They are owing me. You now want me to give you another hair. You have won this hair. You are sweating because obviously they don't have AC in their office. And then you want me to collect and do what? No, don't worry.
Obuma nka like sometimes I ga na Igbo ọ dị ka onwe ọkọ na onwe ihe ọbụla na-eme n'etiti December eruo ndị mmadụ ọkwa because the thing na-emezi ndị mmadụ affect o nwere kita recently kita anọ m na unu a na-etikasị ịghọta ndị mmadụ ewe na-echeta na hey anụ ọkwa m unu na
gone are those days big ala Christmas ima the air na-eshi Christmas hey even onye ogbenye ga-egbu ọkụkọ onye ogbenye ga-ata chicken onye ogbenye ga-atali chicken ọ ga-egbuli ọkụkọ
ndị Igbo anyị sokwa na ndị na-eme onwe anyị o anyị pụọ kpata ego anyị investizie na anụ onye ọzọ na-abụrụ nke anyị ịghọta sometimes anyị na-echefukwa onwe anyị o ka anyị gara ịtụrụ onwe anyị because
onye chọrọ ime invest ego ebe ọ na-aga eme onye chọrọ ime invest ego when you know that if you are to put this money somewhere in Lagos, give it 3 months to come out. If you put it in Ala Igbo, 10 months, your money is gone.
Like young Igbo girls now watch this program, maybe feel you actually be do this business. What advice you get?
Advice him get bido stop procrastinating. Start online. If you don't have the funds to get a shop, start online. Post, people will buy. Gather your audience. When you now save small money, you can even start, even if it's doing buff. Start something. Most of you will be telling me, if you see my DM now, I don't know if I said I'm a philanthropist. Oh my God. Ayo, onye kan genye happen na ha agbalila. Ngegbu onwe m. Family, onye ọwụla ha juru. Otu aka na akụ salary left, right, center.
Na sort na maintain
business agwa did I spoil myself? Mwete ego, I will be feeling guilty to use this money and go on a trip.
Because so many people are asking
I will know that, let me use pay school fee. Pay at such a young age.
Responsibility.
Gosh, nobody paid my school fees. Nobody. My father has money, but the man, he has Costco. He don't used to bring her money. He don't used to bring her money. So what I'm saying in general is just start from somewhere. Start anything small. You don't have to. Me, I started small. Imagine I started selling food. I made do with what was available. I did not say, okay, uncle, come and give me 1 million to start this hair business. No, I sent money.
Like, they so like so only one thing I noticed recently the thing got viral online what can you say about friendship in business?
Ndeni na onye na-eme my mommy used to say her enyi na-egbu mmadụ, but I never understood it, until e mee me ya. So now the only friends I have, ndị enyi naanị m nwere now that I can trust, ndị mụ na ha so gaa secondary school. Ịma na secondary school 6 years ị ga nọ na boarding school. So you're forced to actually love each other. And in that secondary school, it's not about money. It's just about they love you for who you are, because everybody is just a child growing up. You don't really have much. Unlike in Lagos, that's everybody that is coming to farms you. They want something. Do you understand? All these girls, when they come, they'll come in form of angels. They'll be chasing you. Me, I don't easily loosen up. I know they agree. Not be like say, like you were saying that I'm it's not like I'm always like that. These girls, they chase me 3 years. They come my shop, they buy it. I know they look them. Finally, I can't say, okay, they've been, they've been supporting. Let me do the same back. Let me accept. They come, they don't milk you. So now they don't arrive. They don't need you again. They're now bosses. They now have money. So,
but if you know, Makana, maybe Inugodi, how Anubedi or something.
It has nothing to do with Inugodi. When they were chasing me on Manubedi, yes, now when they were chasing me, I've gotten married. I have a child. They were still there. It was not. See, they will literally come and force me. Oh yeah, come. You need to go out. I don't like to go out. It's not about Ilugodi. My husband is the most supportive man in the world. He will tell you go. But I don't like to go out because when I go out, I don't like when men are looking at my nash, body language. There was one time they actually convinced me to go to a club, and that was my first club. As I reached the club, I've not gone to a club before. I don't know that when you are dancing that they will be rocking you. Random men will just come come. That's how woman grabbed my bubble. I was shouting, yeah, Jesus. I started crying.
So
I told them to take me home. That's it. You know, when they judge, she's shaking bum.
That is one thing. You can't judge
the opposite.
Like,
you have no idea. You only see what I want you to see. And that's, you cannot say, okay, I know you sit down now and write a book. I'm different. Reserved. Don't worry. I'm happy going into details.
So, my establishment now is, but do you plan to do anything in the East to encourage the youth or any extension or
one of these days I will do something to support them. Yes, if it's to like an empowerment, you know, bring out young girls, have a meeting, give them, even if it's 500K so that they can start something, you know, advise them, mold them to start up anything within that budget. It must not be 1 million or 10 million. There are a lot of businesses. You can start lip gloss. You can just start something. But they're always looking at, I want to do hair. No, you can sell okirika. Yes, wo bell, ibute bell, you got my touch. Even if you mean give bell. That's why me, even if you collect all the money I have now, I'll still make money again by the grace of God. Because no limitation. No. I don't do because a big woman. I can literally do anything.
That's
I can sell a hustler. I'm telling you.
And the thing I'm telling you. Because there's no time to stay on the ground.
As soon as possible, make moving. Most of you have resources to start up something. But you're looking
like in a shop before.
Each of you with a shop.
Apart from that, I wanted to go to
lazy bar. Don't talk about that one. No. Lazy.
Actually, you influencer.
Lazy. What is influencer?
I say photo this thing. Edit.
Post make TikTok.
Tap.
I'm unavailable. Oguchala. They know the Oguchala. That's all.
No, we really need to do so much for ourselves as Igbo people. I mean, in Igbo, we are very encouraging. The truth is when you create a platform for yourself, you will see people who would want to help you, build with you, connect with you, regardless of whatever the situation is. So, especially when you now have a show like this, this is just not a show. Voice of the East, that brought us a show. Onundi Igbo will help you to support your business. Only will get to a point whereby we give people money to actually start up a business. We support you because we have the platform to grow.
But then they need to have a plan.
They need to have a plan. The truth is, man, they have a plan. But some people are in their head. When they big madam see her, big man see her, but they are not actualizing or bringing that dream to a reality because they are not putting that effort.
And I've come to realize that it's not everybody that is business oriented. I've given, like, I have a cousin, I don't want to go into details. I know how many times I've brought out funds. Let's do this. After everything, I realize I'm the one pushing you. I'm bringing out money. I'm also pushing you. How can I bring out money and motivate you? Doing my own turn. I carry projects. Say, uncle, I already know what I want to do. I just need funds. But you will sit down, no projects in mind, no plan. I will even come and say, okay, what do you want to do? Many times.
Not even copy other
I will
people.
give money. You will start selling this one. No ginger. You know, there's no zeal. Ibambo. Only the spirit of Ibambo. Okay, now, maybe those kind of people, I think that they are good in maybe working office work.
So,
exactly.
Like these days, you have to literally find something to help
create
yourself
a space for
yourself.
yourself.
That's what I'm saying. Very soon, we're going to be giving people ideas. Some people cannot even think for themselves. We've got to that point. So we're even going to be helping people to think now. Okay, which one is going to be better for you? Which one you feel your laziness can allow you to
work
do?
Your mommy na so lousy.
I wouldn't know in around I will create content.
Okay,
You got that? At least they didn't get one lady who watch TikTok here. So this woman maybe it's nkita yaro. Even didn't know nkita.
Rich food. On kahune lamb chops. You may at season here.
Yes, it's in Shire. Oh, just set your phone when not sad nkita. Post here na YouTube. Post
views, and she can make money with that.
Views are money.
I'm telling you.
What are you good at doing? It the good on if it's just imuno.
If we go this sex addict more porn star, give me a new porn.
Hey,
now.
I come out there what I'm saying.
No, it's Yes, now.
Mana, the truth is
Man,
that
we create all those videos. Just do whatever it is. So far as you're not killing somebody, me, I know they judge anybody. You understand? I don't judge people. So do you? Just try and make money. Don't be lazy.
Honestly,
don't be wasting your time.
I really, really love this section because it's very, very like educating and informative for everybody out there. Hopefully you are going to take this advice, you're going to take this route, you're going to take this step, you know, and do something better for yourself, especially for the younger ladies out there that are coming up, that are confused about what to do or know what to do but don't know how to start. See, social media has already created a platform. Don't
waste that moment.
Don't waste that time. Media. Don't waste that youthfulness. Don't even waste it.
Some people did not have this opportunity.
There's so many ideas. There's so many things you can do. Like I said it, there was this thing that is going. I know I don't want to talk about myself on this show, but I identify or I push myself forward as a realist. I tell people I see myself as a realist. In 2023, I can tell you that in Nigeria, nobody has openly come out and identified as a realist. As big as this country is, that's to tell you that there are so many other million things that you can do or give yourself that are still out there that people have not started. Lashes. Man, the video, lashes business.
That is saturated. Hair business, all the last saturated. Things. Even though you can still make money.
Things. In fact, don't worry. Very soon we'll start talking about this. There's so many things. Even off of this, my head, I can give you ideas that nobody has even tried. Because the moment somebody just brings up an idea like this, Instagram,
you will see whenever I'm wearing my bra, they always ask me, where do you buy your bras? And I realize that a lot of people are busty and they're not much bra sellers. If I had the time, I would be I don't want to say fucking, I'll be so wealthy.
From selling
a lot of things to do. Yes.
A lot of things to do.
If you want ideas, there are so many. Because think outside the box, really.
Because the truth is, Buna, I interviewed one guy recently, Amazing Clef, and this guy told me that there's nothing that cannot make you a multimillionaire. The guy they only say food. So back in the days, you can
never marry a photographer in this house.
You understand? But now it is a big deal.
Yeah.
So there's nothing you cannot do.
Is this still photographer they call them? Abi, there is this modernized name now.
So now we there's nothing you cannot do to be out there. So keep trying your best and doing your thing.
If this one does not work,
you understand?
You move.
Yeah, you move. And oh my God, I wish we can continue. You understand? But honestly speaking, I hope people pick from this and start doing something for yourself. You can become a big name someday, not just in your head, though. Someday, somewhere, somehow, and then you'll probably be on this show talking about how you started and how you heard from this show, how you followed our or how you joined a master class or our class, and then you became
join my master class. 36K, you're gonna be a boss by next year.
Exactly. So you can join a master class, learn from her, and also learn from us. Keep streaming Voice of the East on Instagram, on YouTube, on Facebook.
You know, I just had to honor because it's Olundibo.
You understand?
I'm an Igbo girl.
It will definitely help you. We'll push you to get there. And on that note, we've come to the end of this show, my people. Olundibo, please keep streaming on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. We're going to be giving you good content and bringing to you people who are going to teach you and show you the ways to do these things if you don't have an idea. So keep streaming. We're going to be always there to support you and push you as a brand. Until next time on this show, keep it alive, take care of yourselves, and be good. Mwah.